Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This tutorial covers sections in Google Forms. In this video, I will discuss how to create or add sections, merge them, make duplicate copy, delete, and move sections. Let's get started. So I have already opened one of Google Forms from my drive. So how to add section? So here you can see there are total 4 sections, that is 1 of 5. This is the first section. Total there are 4 sections. Now let's see how to add or create a new section. So for example, to create section, so you can create section first using this add section option and then add question using plus sign, or you can add a section in any of your question you have designed. For example, I have created 4 sections and I want to create one more section in this question. So for this, click on the above question or section. For example, I will click on this one box, click here and then click on add section. So here you can see a new section is added. You can see untitled section. Click on this to give section. In this way you can give title, you can also give description, otherwise it is optional. You can use this arrow buttons to see more. So here you can see description and here you can close it. In the more option, let's see next one, merge option. So merge with above. So this section will merge the current section with the above section. Click on this and let's see how it works. Now scroll up and see. So here you can see the section is merged with this section. Here to the left you can see the message. Next option is duplicate section. Through this option, duplicate copy will be created of the entire section. For example, when I click on a duplicate section, a copy of section 2 will be created. Let's see, click on duplicate section. So after creating, you can see this is the match the following in shortcut command question. Now you can see the same copy. So this is the match the following and the shortcut command question. So here duplicate copy option can be used to create copy of entire section. So entire section means one section of all your sections. So one copy is made of the section you want. Let's see other option. The more you can see delete section. When you click on delete section, the section you can see section deleted. So again it is now 2 of 4, means total 4 section. Now the last option is move section. So you can move the section. Click on move section. So here you can see 4 sections are available in my form. For example, you can see first is computer, second is untitled section, third section is fill in the blanks, and fourth is read the passage. So you can shuffle, that is you can reorder the sections. You can move fourth to first position, third to second position, or you can move second to last. You can change the order. For example, let's change one. I will bring the computer option to the last. So click by using the first option. There are 2 arrow options, above and below. Using this above option, you can move a particular section above, and using below option you can move a particular section down. Let's see how it works. So here I have moved one section above. Now I will move the last section to second section, and I will move computer to the last section. So here in this way you can reorder the sections and click on save. After saving, you can see the order is changed. First is untitled section, second is read the passage, third one is fill in the blanks, and fourth one is computer. In this way you can use move section to reorder the sections. So this is all about sections. Google Forms, you can create or add sections, move them, delete them, make a duplicate copy, or you can merge the sections. Do check other videos from my channel, how to create, match the pairs, how to create passage and questions, how to embed video and images, create long answer type questions in 2 ways, how to create fill in the blanks. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.